Meaning of dinner.
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 Dinner. Dinner is the main meal of the day that is typically eaten in the evening or late afternoon. It is usually a more formal and leisurely meal than lunch and often involves multiple courses. The type of food served for dinner can vary depending on culture, geography, and personal preferences. Some typical dishes include roasted meats, vegetables, and grains. Dining with family, friends, or colleagues is often a social activity that provides an opportunity for conversation and connection. Overall, dinner plays an important role in many cultures and is a significant part of daily life for many people.